Molotov cocktail is the cheapest but very effective offensive weapon. Applying it correctly, you can even engage a main battle tank or any other armored vehicle. But the biggest drawback is the risk to flame up yourself long before you can smash it against the enemy. But we can solve it simple, cheap and legal with no gun license needed. And we will test the solution on this mannequin. You may call him Sub-Zero. So we will smash him with Fireball. Have you ever dreamed to play Mortal Kombat in real life? Of course you did, the most of you. Here is a real chance to make yourself a Shang Tsung. So test your might. In other words, welcome to City Tank channel. First, let's make a modern Molotov cocktail. You can easily use as a pocket flamethrower, drone bomblet, or even a fighting fireball. No clothes wick or glass bottle is needed. Glass is very fragile and may easily soak your clothes with flammable liquid. But this is 21st century, so we will use an NECA unfriendly plastic soda bottle. Or you can buy a ready-to-use barbecue lighter. As for fuel, classic Molotov cocktail mostly consists of gasoline and kerosene. But we will use a fuel station gasoline. It also has rather good ignition and detonation as well. The next and the hardest issue is the fuel ignition. Don't forget, we need to make it simple, cheap and legal. So we will tape up a grenade fuse, of course a training one, or even strike ball, sports pyrotechnic, fuel and plastic packaging. The whole trick will cost you from about $5 depending on the country. What does it mean? For us as for weapon operators, safety. The only feature so needed to Molotov cocktail. It would take up to 4.2 seconds to explode the fuse. At the moment the grenade would be far enough not to engage you. Moreover, it has no fragmentation. But anyway, use the eyes protection. I also have grill lighter bottles, training grenades, and 3D printed improvised contact target sensors to use. So let's start Shang Tsung vs Sub-Zero, round 1 fight. I'm thirsty, it's time to drink soda. Начинаю. Так. А, да. Блин. Ну, просто дерни его так, да. Чтоб...
Кинуть сразу.
Да.
А что?
Пошли все.
Блин, это ладно. Идет запись.
Все. Все. Finally, we made an excellent barbecue zero, but which is more, we made cheapest offensive weapon of 2025. Cheap, effective and 100% legal, with no license needed. So, once again, City Tank channel overdo the others, including all around world defense industry. To watch more military life hacks, you may join my channel and open special playlist called Weapon How to Make It. Thanks for watching the good and useful Miltech content and see you next time.
Можно мне тоже кинуть? Красота.
Пошли все.
Блин, это ладно.